Well, I'm out on a job and I'm staying in this little cabin here. I'm doing some inspection on a pipeline. And if you guys know me, I love my collard greens. So I'm gonna try something different here with my collard greens. I already got my bacon and I'm put a little bit more seasoning. But my sister told me to try this right here. It's the fresh success greens and kale. It's a southern style. She said it's really good. She said you just pour it on top of your greens and it gives you directions right here on how to use it. So this is my first time trying this and I'm gonna tell you guys what I think about it. So let's go ahead and put this in. Okay, it's different, but just sprinkle it over. Smell pretty good. So let's give this a try. You know, I did taste a little bit of this. I stuck my finger in it and taste it. Hey, this stuff is good. It's got a little sweetness to it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and add 2 packages of this, and I'm not gonna add any more seasoning. So I'm not gonna add my Tony's and my garlic and all that. I'm gonna just try it just with this season and see what it tastes like. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this other package in it. Like I said, I did taste this. Wow, that's some good flavor right there. So I'm gonna cook it without adding any other seasoning. These greens have been cooking for about 10 minutes, and I'm gonna cook them for another 5 minutes. I like my greens to have a little crunch to them. Matter of fact, I eat them raw as a salad, but I'm gonna cook them about 5 more minutes, and I'm gonna give this a try. Okay, my greens been cooking for 15 minutes. They're done. I'm done with it. So let's give this a try. Put a little bit on my plate here. Let's see what this tastes like. I ain't added no other seasoning. I just put that southern style mix in. So let's give this a try. All right, here we go. Wow. Hey, if you ain't tried none of this stuff, let me dig in this pot and get some more. If you ain't tried any of this, that's all you need, that package. I didn't add anything. No garlic salt. I didn't even add my Tony's. I usually add that to everything. I didn't add anything, just that seasoning. Yep. I eat collard greens every day if I can. But this seasoning, it's worth it. It got that little sweetness to it. Got a small amount of spice, garlic. Got all the seasoning that you need. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.